So today's weird. So we have to run into Magic Kingdom. We have to road trip Peter Pan because this one back here, wherever the hell she is, sorry, I have to edit that out.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. We have to go see the queue for Peter Pan because me, like a moron, showed her a video of it and there's Tink everywhere. So that's a freaking thing. So we paid for preferred parking to make the in and out faster because we have to leave at 12 o'clock to go to my cousin's dance competition in Universal.
Ooh, preferred water.
Preferred water! Ah!
Yep, it's a thing.
It's a thing. It actually is weirdly helpful. Like,
you get chilled bottles of water for everybody in the car.
Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. How many people do you have in the car? 42.
Granted, I could pick up a couple cases
He's
of
pulling
water.
out like 12.
You get free parking with annual pass. We paid the $20 difference, $23 difference to
inflation.
Why does it look like I'm cross-eyed? Holy God!
You are.
I'm not cross-eyed.
Not yet.
Shut up.
There's 4 of us.
Any first timers?
No.
Just handing me.
You can celebrate, no?
Oh, we can always celebrate.
Yay,
Thank
celebrating
you.
pins!
I get a button. I get a button. It's going on my thing.
I got that face.
See, you guys are all perverts. I met my dad.
No one.
Didn't say a
No
word.
one actually
no
said
one said
anything.
anything.
It's going on my thing.
Well, because you couldn't like.
Well, it was
use
honestly the
words.
face and the notes.
It had nothing to do with what your thing may be. It was just you didn't use words.
You guys being your pervert selves.
No.
Louise wanted to say things, but she's being taped, so she didn't want to be dirty. I know her. You don't understand the amount of stuff that's going to need to be edited out of this. It's a little nippy. It's a little nippy. Poor Megan's in her tank top. She's like, but I'll live in the hoodie. I don't want to carry it around. But again, yeah, so we have to leave the park at like noon, go pick up our 2 other family members, go to my cousin's dance competition, which I'm not taping any of that. Maybe for a hot second in City Walk, because we have to go through a new first.
Looking for Megan and Louise. It's the one thing, I don't carry a bag. Because Anthony does for me. So now the bag check is at Ticket and Transportation Center. You know, a little bit more of a cluster here, but it makes getting into the park so much easier when you get off the monorail. Or the boat, depending on which way you go in. We'll see which. Oh, there's Megan. I can see her leggings. Anthony.
Hey! They had me go through the bag check, and then they were diverting everyone into the metal detector. So I'm like unloading everything in my pockets or in my bag to make it easier. And she's like, just come through. I'm like, score! I'm already half unloaded, but score!
It's your happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I almost took off the pin. The pins always go off.
Oh,
There's Megan.
They tell you to take the pins off.
I see shiny ears.
There's Megan.
I mean, they're everywhere, realistically.
We're both randomly
There's Megan.
selected. Yay for random selection.
Line for the monorail is a little backed up, so we're gonna boat this.
So, as much as the monorail is fun, ferry boat's a little bit more efficient.
Well, at this moment,
Efficient?
it's efficient. I'm bringing. It's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Side note, none of us ate anything this morning.
No, we're gonna be starved in about an hour. Cheeky. Up. Taking the ferry, we're watching the damn castle. Remember, no bouncing down the stairs. In the most delightful way.
And apparently Mom wanted to grill me.
About what?
She said, morning, what's for breakfast at 7 o'clock this morning? And I'm like, there's donuts in the house. And then, where to today? How's the weather? Did you call to find out how much snow? Snow emoji. You guys got, or if you have power. Still 50,000 people without power. We lost it for about 6 hours yesterday. Heart.
She's discovered emojis.
Now I want my hoodie.
You should have made that. We should have had that conversation earlier. Well, we're also on the top deck of a boat. There's nothing I feel.
Nothing I fear, not that I feel.
I know.
Shut up.
Saying the wrong word.
I'll use the words that fit my emotions. Quarantined. We can't get out. Nope. Sitting? Oh, on the stairs. Okay. I feel like today is going to be stupid busy. We purposely avoid this park on weekend. We purposely avoid Epcot and Magic Kingdom typically on weekends. This is the only day we were able to get to Magic Kingdom though. So
Thanks for getting these started.
the stage show's
And
great.
now that
We got places to
we're all
go.
together,
The stage show's
I've got a
great.
surprise for you. You see, when folks from around the kingdom heard you were going to be here, well, they just had to come and give you a great big welcome. Evie, Robbie, let the magic begin.
Wonderful feeling, wonderful day. Now, normally we won't rope drop like one of the big ones, like Winnie the Pooh, Peter Pan, Seven Dwarfs. We'll actually pretty much honestly get Tomorrowland and Fantasyland done except for those 3 rides. But we want to see the queue for Peter Pan, which is something we've never seen. And I'm not waiting 2 hours on a ride. So, which is what it eventually turns into. So this will end up being like 15 minutes or so when we're up there. And I'm good with that. Oh, there's her face. Aww.
It's the mermaids.
Yeah, very good, Megan. And that's a pirate. She's squeaking. Well, you gotta think, the ride, this is the first part of the story. Oh, I love Nana.
Good morning, class, boys and girls, and welcome to Peter Pan's Flight. To keep your wait as short as possible, we ask that you keep your entire party together and keep up with the group ahead of you, filling in all of the events.
You brought a hairbrush?
I always carry one. My hair gets so windy in the very hot right here. You got enough stuff in your hair, it ain't blowing anywhere.
Shave your head.
No.
All right, let's stop it for that. You just shake your head. You happy?
That's such a cute ride.
It's great. That ride's great. It's just really cool because like it actually tells the whole story of Peter Pan.
A very abridged version.
Oh, apparently they're changing the carousel.
Yeah, they're doing some cosmetics.
I mean, it's an abridged version, but it's still full story.
Yeah.
Like, it's not an hour-and-a-half flying boat adventure, but I mean, it's the whole story of Peter Pan. It's really cute. She's just squeaking. And really, it says 5-minute wait, but it's honestly...
It actually said 10.
It said 10?
Which confuses me because we're just walking.
Seriously, I mean, the wait is the walk.
They're throwing you off. Disney trickery.
Hold on. So this just happened.
So we're in the restaurant.
I had to get closer so the family doesn't hear me.
We're in the restaurant. Obviously, you know, Dad's gonna put it on there. And it's a little boy thing next to it. And just all of a sudden, little boy goes, hey, just be careful. Scratch your peanut.
During Small World, we had the cutest family with us. We had the cutest family sitting behind us. They're just those people that were just very nice and just very happy to be here. They were just adorable. It was a grandma, dad. So I sat down with this in my pocket and kind of cracked the thing that holds the camera on. So we're gonna be real careful. Like, careful on the wood. I know way older than ass. I really wanted to tape that. I don't know if we should at this point. Look, Barnstorm is a quick wait. Let's jump on. Barnstorm is the worst roller coaster in the world, and I love every minute of it. I'm on the end. I'm so scared. Ah!
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
He keeps saying, and this is not the wildest ride in the wilderness. It's a little nippy, but I mean we're from up north, so I mean this is nice. This is temperate. Hi.
This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
We're gonna give you that one single whistle, and I'll give you the 3 magical words of all there.
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
And he actually means it this time. He's been saying it for 4 days. Now it's actually contextual. Okay. Louise, where are we going? Good job. She got a Haunted Mansion magic band for Christmas, and we want to see if it does something fun at the gate. There's like a line for Country Bear Jamboree. That is so weird. Like, should we have fast passed that? Like, is there a special thing going on?
Lots of people wanting to see
It was weird. No, no sand.
So bad that I look forward to this meeting.
What, this ride?
Just in general.
A big part of vacations are going to try new things and having dinners. Like, it's walking around, seeing all
Yeah.
the but it's also going to you know, you're out.
I'll mention.
Didn't do anything.
What did it
Just
do?
the dong of like a dong, like a bunch of Madison Bell.
Well, what did you
I
expect to
sang
do?
the tiki room.
There's always things to tiki room.
Like bells.
Yeah.
Okay, but still.
Oh, carriage is back.
Carriage is back.
What did it say?
Pet Cemetery with Mr. Toad.
Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find
Now we are on our way to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Which is not
The wildest ride in the wilderness. It was cute like the first dozen times.
Everybody loves it.
Yeah, well, so now we're on our way over to Seven Dwarfs, and then we essentially have to leave to go to my cousin's dance competition, so. The chosen one.
Early it didn't.
The chosen one. So this fast pass I originally had for 3:10, and about an hour ago, I moved it up to like 11:40. So we're getting in earlier, and then actually right now, as soon as I'm online, I'm gonna look at fast passes for when we get back around 4. Well, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, how was it?
It was fun.
Yeah, it's always a good ride. I always forget how much the dips happen. I'm like, woo, woo. It's really kind of funny. So we're gonna go make Megan happy. Tiki room. You know this. I took a wrong bridge and I'm getting berated and belittled.
Yeah, were we supposed to take the green one?
Oh my God, shut up. Like, so,
We'll give you the abridged version.
bite me. Bite me. Do you want to come to the gift shop?
I said yeah.
Oh, sorry, I was too busy getting yelled at for a bridge. So leaving the park, we have to run to Universal for some stuff. We'll be back
Stuff
around
and things.
Stuff and things. Back around 4.